Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate the screen of your LOUPEDECK. So in case you want to rotate the screen, I haven't found the option in settings, like in the settings of LOUPEDECK app, but you can add the device action to the touch controls or to buttons. So I'm gonna add it to the touch controls. Let's go to LOUPEDECK device actions, then go to device display rotation. You can set it to reset, rotate, turn display 90 degrees, turn display 180, 270. I'm gonna click on rotate display. I'm just gonna drag it here. Then if I click on it, it just rotates. It cycles through different rotations. And if I set it to like 180, then it just turns it 180 back and doesn't go back. So I think I prefer the rotate display more. If I had to rotate it like 270 degrees.